Alright, so we're going to put a grinder matchup because the Reese's interview is taking a bit longer to happen than we had hoped. So it might happen a little bit later. I like cat pictures, just so you know.
I side jump because of a little bit of arthritis, so if you'd like to give a quick shuffle, that's
you're fine.
Either way, I'm still going to lose, so it's all good.
Okay. I love the confidence, I guess. I don't know if it's confidence in your inability to play or confidence in my ability to play.
I will confess I am not a high tier player.
Oh, neither am I, so don't feel bad.
But I come to have fun.
Yeah.
It's all good, so.
Come here to support my red flag.
Did you just call me a lion player? I'm really kind of offended by that.
Now I get to blame you for my horrible cards.
I'm horrible at betting. I really am.
It has nothing to do with the fact that I put bad cards in the deck.
Right.
It's all his fault.
Only bad cards on deck are not enough.
This is the second round of the grinder. Right now, these two players have not won a match, so they're 0-0. But since it's still the second round of the grinder, it is possible that both could make it in. I'm going to see if I can fix the lighting issue here.
Why didn't you cycle?
Because I'm an idiot, probably.
Toshimo, Yuko. Yeah, that's a cycle. Come on, deck.
Ouch.
Attention Alpha Var players, we are taking your tickets for the 3 p.m. challenge booth for Siege the Clan War, and we are also taking tickets for the 3 p.m. Alpha Var draft.
Okay. All you.
So I'm going to go straight to Dynasty if you have no opens. 8 total. Temple Serenity, Defensive Memorial, Earthbound Temple. Back to discard room as well, so.
Mine?
Yep.
Slate Pits. Sayaku.
This is Phoenix versus Crab.
I do not have. Not yet.
Here we go.
Kamikaze, Horizon, Serenity, Temple of the Holiday, Crab. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I may be wrong about the Phoenix, but it's definitely Crab is one of them. Sorry. I'll go back and look when I go check the camera again.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11 with the advanced for 12, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
All right.
Yes.
Mine.
Yes.
House of Disgrace, Timbura.
This is straight. Invested.
Pass my first.
I'm going to do Equip Earth's Embrace, which is 2 less because it's, yes, Earth. So that equips for free.
Pass.
I pass.
Dynasty. Two. Taking me to -2. -4. Claim -3. There you go.
Alrighty. Yeah?
Yeah, go ahead. You gotta get it right, right? So the internet can see.
It is Scorpion, everyone.
I'd hope so. Are people
Orange,
asking?
shifty Scorpions.
They can't tell, the sleeves are too shiny.
No.
Hey, at least it's not gold era foils. Those things were dangerous.
Yeah, they were.
Alright.
I don't know if there's more chrome on those, but you pick up trucks during the time.
Alright.
Unfortunately, I can't fix the sleeve issue. So, yes. Military, or, yeah, something. Where was I going with that? Right, Scorpion versus Crab. That's where I was going with that.
3 rock, +1 force rock tokens. If you don't mind.
Yes.
That works too. Even better.
Yeah, I gotta use. I left all my tokens in the car.
I got my deck 4 minutes before the tournament was supposed to start
Oh, nice.
because we had left it in the room because we thought our ticket was for tomorrow.
Fair enough.
So when we got here, we were a little surprised. All right.
Thurs will straighten and then bow itself, giving the madness token.
All right, and that he can use that as an open to give himself cool keywords. Do you have any other opens?
Yeah, actually. What's the, can I read
Sure.
security? And what's Earth's price do?
I can bow this to give +1 force to each Shigenja in his army.
Gotcha. What does he do?
He negates all fear effects targeting him, cards in his unit, and ranged attacks targeting him have -2 strength.
Stone's purity.
Alrighty.
You know the Scorpion Stronghold does, right?
Yeah, it negates.
First use of it, yeah.
Yeah.
The first action performed by that card.
Alrighty. I will declare an attack unless you have any other opens.
You have a product strength the same, right?
Yep.
Okay. No?
Goes here. Alright, no sneak attack.
My first action. Well, it's engaged, so it'd be my first engage, so I'll pass engage.
Yeah, I don't know engage either.
My first action. Overwhelming offense. Drop his force by 5.
Okay.
All right, everyone, on the 6th ring. Here I have Shawn Carman, who is on the story team. So we'd like to welcome him to the 6th ring stream. And let me teach him how this works. That's how you talk. There you go. Okay, so hi, Shawn.
Hello.
So, first I'd like to just ask you just a general question. Obviously, L5R has been around for 20 years now. Also, someone says hi. So, L5R has been around for 20 years. So, what does L5R mean to you, and how has it impacted your life?
It's impacted my life pretty significantly, I would say. It was basically my entry into the gaming industry. I've gotten to know some people that are really good friends of mine through the game. I've done some of what I think is probably my best work as a writer for the game. It gave me all the tools I need to start my own company a couple of years ago. So, it's been just a remarkably big chunk of my life for the past 15 years or whatever. So it's been pretty important, I would say.
So, obviously you've done a lot of work for the story team. What's your favorite story in L5R?
That I wrote or that someone else wrote?
Attention L5R players.
Either.
Minutes left for signups for the
Let's
3
see.
PM challenge booth.
How about both?
I've worked with some really great people. It's hard to choose. I would say, just because of my personal connection with the character, I reread Rusty Prisk's fiction a week or two ago, where Camille the Ratling and Saruchi both died, and I found that one very poignant. It kind of sticks with me.
I gotta pour one out for my homie Saruchi.
There you go. Mine. I don't know, there was a fiction years and years ago where I introduced Shosuro Toru, the Scorpion Ninja, where he had to, he ended up killing his fiancée because it was his duty, and I always liked that one a lot for some reason, I don't know why.
So, what's your favorite live L5R moment, whether it be a Gencon or a convention? What's your favorite interaction with people here that you've had?
I would probably say the Tomb of the Seven Thunders in Brussels in, I think, 2006. It was just such a big production, and we had so much, there was a huge amount of people there, and we had a lot, we had the special room set up, and people could walk into it. It was just, it was kind of unique as far as I have seen from anything else we've done over the course of the past 10 years or so. I really, I look back on that very fondly. And not just because it was the only time I've been to Europe.
Although Europe's very nice. Well, what about your work with RPGs? Obviously, you released your own RPG through Kickstarter a while ago. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah. Not this past year, but February of 2008, we released, February of 2014.
Lost track of time.
I did, yes. We released a supplement for Pathfinder that introduced the Thunderscape setting and the mechanics for it, which was a really big deal because I got to work with my buddy Rich from used to be on the story team again. And, my gaming group that's been together since we were all in high school, worked together to get it out, and that's been really amazing. And we just finished up another Kickstarter to translate it to Savage Worlds, which we're in the middle of doing right now. It's our second year with a booth here at Gencon, so it's pretty crazy. I've enjoyed it a lot. It's been a favorite world of mine since the mid '90s, and now the chance to kind of develop it and take it in my own direction and everything, and to make real all the random things I've written in notebooks over the past 20 years. It's been pretty amazing. It's
been exciting.
Spiritual.
So, can you give us any spoilers or anything about how the L5R story is going to be coming in Onyx? A lot of people are wondering about how Shadowlands is going to be represented in Onyx, and they just want a little taste of something.
It's going to be pretty dark. I wouldn't get attached to anything.
So, take that from Shawn, don't get attached. And what about the stuff that was saved? Can we get attached to that, maybe?
From the Kotar season? Yeah, it'll limp on into the next era. Don't worry, we won't. That stuff's safe. We're good.
So, that's exciting. Anything else that you want to tell anyone about the 20th anniversary or L5R or anything else like that?
I actually have no idea what's going on at the 20th anniversary party. It'll be, I'm sure it'll be surprising to me too, but it's supposed to be a pretty big deal, so I'm looking forward to seeing what Zinger's got cooking.
All right, well, thank you, Shawn. It's exciting to talk to you, and everyone would like to say hi, apparently. They're all waving at you. So, thank you for talking to us.
No problem.
Do you have any opens?
Are you passing your first?
Yes.
Thurs. Two crazy guys opens. Are you passing again?
Yeah.
What's Kirish's wrath do?
About a target enemy, follower, or personality with 4 or lower force. So right now, nothing.
Stun Spirit.
Right. I have no opens. So, do you have any others? Or
Pass as well.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna actually go to Dynasty then.
Alright.
Buy the vow and everything for 18 gold, 9, 15, 16, 17. Attaches.
It's all good, man. No worries. You all good?
Yes.
Kage, how you go?
Straightens.
Pass open.
Put some brace on Shinoda.
First embrace is bowed and give everybody.
Every Shigenja plus 1 force.
Yeah, that's right.
Pretty much 99% of the deck.
Pass.
Pass.
Dynasty. Kage.
Attention Alpha Bar players, for grinder number 2, you have 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left in qualifier number 2. This is also last call for the 3 p.m. draft event and last call for the 3 p.m. Siege of Darkness. If you have the event ticket, you need to come up immediately.
Bound Earth and Temple to give him +1 force.
Bruce and Bruce.
Okay. That negates the first use of it, right? Just want to double check. +1 force.
Okay.
Alright. I'll declare an attack.
Yes, sir.
I will send everybody here. You have first engage, I guess?
Pass engage.
I pass engage as well.
My first action.
Yep.
Attention Alpha Bar Invitational. The top 8 standings are under the speaker to my stage left. If you are in the top 8, please see Benjamin Higgins at the first table. Benjamin Higgins at the first table.
Standing fast. Balancing to our unit. He's 15 gold, that's 14 gold.
Bringing the ambush to give him a -2 force, targeting Arisen as a scout.
Courage beyond question, negate the force penalty.
Is that an interrupt?
Yep.
Okay.
My action.
Hang on. Actually, you can't. Bringing the ambush is on top of it. Is it? Or am I looking at a different card?
No, it's -2 force, so
Right,
I'm interrupting it.
Unstoppable actions can't be interrupted.
Oh, fair enough.
Other
Okay.
players, sorry, cannot interrupt unstoppable
Gotcha.
actions.
Okay,
He
so
just
he's-
worked in my head.
He's -2 force.
So he's 5.
All right, my action.
Nope. I have target a scout,
Yeah.
so I get an additional action.
Is it?
Yep. You may target your scout to take an additional action.
Oh, right on. Okay.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Doesn't say the scout has to take the action now, so I'm gonna use. Oh, that was anyway. Well, I'm bound 2 instead of 3. Now him interrupting with +2 to do a ranged or a melee 5 against him.
My ensorcements go back to my hand. He does.
Attention Alpha Bar players, Mark Shimono,
Not that I'm
please
doubting,
come
I'm
to
just
the
curious
front desk.
why.
Mark
I'm
Shimono,
Alpha.
please come to the front desk.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, these were the
No,
two
rock
weapons
and roll.
tester. Yeah.
I just remember that they're aren't they destined also, or
Yes.
yeah. So that's why I play them for the most part. So I totally forgot they did that. But that's all good. Drop the table temporarily. At least.
The 3 force.
Yes.
-3.
Okay. I'll bow Horizon to do a ranged attack or a melee attack equal to his chi. Which
Attention
is
Alpha Bar players, if you have signed up for the 3 p.m.
Use that ability. He has no
Siege
ability.
Clan War, you need to go sit down in front of Jeff Williamson. Please go to my stage left at the red table to face Jeff Williamson.
Forget those keywords are more dangerous than the other ones.
Yeah, buddy. Overwhelming offense.
Which is
-5 force.
Okay. So 0, but technically -1. Ends would be awesome. Stylish to negate the force penalties on Shinoda and Horizon. Two or more personalities, two or more, but they're the only ones with force penalties. So same source. Oh, same source. So
So you don't have two from the same source.
So I
You
can't use
can't
it.
use it.
yeah, that's all cool. Straighten with the stronghold. Oh, that was silly. All right.
Rewards experience, bow the whole unit.
Kiyoshi's Wrath to bow. That's the bow somebody force 4 or less.
Attention Alphavar players, qualifier number 2, that is time in the round. I repeat, qualifier number 2, time in the round.
Anything else?
I miss my EE faceless deck. But you don't see me crying. Okay, maybe I do cry at night.
I apologize. 20 minutes left.
How up to you? We got 20 minutes.
The moon probably lied. Apparently, he called time in the round, and there wasn't time in the round.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8, 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14. So plain library, which is interrupting itself to look at the top 3 cards. Top 3 cards of my Fate deck to place 0 to 2 of them at the bottom of the deck. 2, 3. Nope, I actually like all 3 of those. I'm going to keep them. Chutsu comes out as well. Battlefield Fields, Friends of Memorial attaches. 2, 3, 4.
All right. Let's see. I have no open actions.
Neither do I. Wait, do I? Actually, I do if you don't mind.
Yeah, go.
It won't change much. Stones of Purity. Yep. He gets 4 tokens.
Come on, Dynasty. We got nothing else.
No. Put this in my deck box. It's out of the hit, but it's out of the hit.
Emperor Edition was the best edition. Do not argue with me.
Dynasty. Eight. 11. 15. Hey, what, man? Call a game.
Okay. Good. That one unit really worried the hell out of me for a while, I won't lie.
I screwed up. I should have let you have that province.
Yeah, I can understand that, yeah.
Well, I could have come back and taken 2.
Yeah. Oh, I totally forgot about those 2. Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to put a grinder matchup because the Reese's interview is taking a bit longer to happen than we had hoped. So it might happen a little bit later. I like cat pictures, just so you know.
I side shuffle because of a little bit of arthritis. So if you'd like to give a quick shuffle, that's
Oh,
fine.
you're fine. Do what you do.
Either way, I'm still going to lose, so it's all good.
Okay. I love the confidence, I guess. I don't know if it's confidence in your inability to play or confidence in my ability to play.
I will confess I am not a high tier player.
Right.
It's all his fault.
Like bad cards on deck are not enough.
This is the second round of the grinder. Right now, these two players have not won a match, so they're 0-0. But since it's still the second round of the grinder, it is possible that both could make it in. I'm going to see if I can fix the lighting issue here.
Fields. It seems to pick them up. Oh, you.
Why didn't you cycle?
Because I'm an idiot, probably.
Toshimo, Yuko. Yeah, that's it. That's a cycle. Come on, deck.
Ouch.
Attention Alphavar players, we are taking your tickets for the 3 p.m. challenge booth for Siege the Clan War, and we are also taking tickets for the 3 p.m. Alphavar draft.
Dynasty. Oh, now they're mine, so I don't feel bad.
But I come to have fun.
Yeah.
It's all good. So.
Come here to support my red flag.
Did you just call me a lion player? I'm really kind of offended by that.
Now I get to blame you for my horrible cards.
I'm horrible at betting. I really am.
It has nothing to do with the fact that I put bad cards in the deck. I'm all good.
Okay. Oh, you.
Alright. So I'm going to go straight to Dynasty if you have no opens. 8 total. Temple Serenity, Defensive Memorial, Earthbound Temple. Back to this card as well, so.
Mine?
Yep.
Slate Pits. Sayaku.